Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello kids. Today we will learn A to Z alphabets with objects. Let's begin. A is for apple. Apple is a fruit. B is for ball. Ball is used to play. C is for cat. Cat is a pet animal. D is for duck. Duck can swim. E is for elephant. Elephant is big. F is for fish. Fish lives in water. G is for goat. Goat gives milk. H is for hat. We wear a hat. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is cold. J is for jelly. Jelly is sweet. K is for kite. Kite flies in the sky. L is for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. M is for mango. Mango is a sweet fruit. N is for nest. Birds live in a nest. O is for orange. Orange is a juicy fruit. P is for pencil. We write with a pencil. Q is for queen. Queen wears a crown. R is for rabbit. Rabbit can hop. S is for sun. Sun gives us light. T is for train. Train runs on tracks. U is for umbrella. Umbrella keeps us dry. V is for van. Van is a vehicle. W is for watch. Watch tells time. X is for xylophone. Xylophone makes music. Y is for yellow. Yellow is a bright color, like a star. Z is for zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes. Great job, kids! You learned A to Z alphabets with objects today. See you in the next video. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.